Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nia and I'm back with another video. So today I did this very blue look with a hint of copper gold, which I really love because it makes me look all grown and sexy and stuff. And I just had to start off this year with a bold, cute blue look since it is still the winter. So I'm not going to talk too much, so if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching my video. Okay, so I'm looking super scary right now, but your girl's gonna get cute in a second. So I don't know what I want to do, but since it's still winter, I want to do something blue to start off the year. I'm just gonna go along with it. For our first transition color, I'm gonna be taking the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm gonna take this light blue shade out the palette, and that is going to be our transition color. I just said that. So now I'm just starting to build this color up little by little, just because I want this blue to really stand out. And I'm just gonna buff around the edges using circular motions. So after you have that color blended out, you're gonna be taking a new blending brush, which happens to be my Morphe M433 brush, my only Morphe brush. That's why I just had to say it. Going back into the same palette, I'm gonna be taking the dark blue, almost like a navy blue color, out of the palette, and we're gonna put that into our crease. So I'm gonna go back in with the same blending brush that we used for our first transition color, and I'm gonna blend that darker color out, the darker blue out, just so we don't have any harsh lines at all. So now I'm going to be going in the Tarteist Pro Remix palette, and I'm going to take that black shade, which is called Ink, out of the palette, and we're going to use this just in our crease. Just so you don't bring the black too far up, I'm going to be taking a clean blending brush just to blend out the black. Going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the color Warm Honey, I am starting to cut my crease. taking this copper color out of the Tarteist Pro Remix palette, I'm going to be taking the color Spin and adding this onto my eyelid. Alright you guys, so I'm back. I have did my other eye, put on eyelashes, and did my eyeliner. And so I decided to put a lighter color in the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm going to be taking the Tarteist Pro Remix palette again. And I am going to be taking the color Flow out of the palette. And we're just going to put that color into the inner corner of my eyes. For primer, I'm going to be taking my Photo Finish Primer by Smashbox, and we're going to be putting this into our T-zones. For foundation today, I have bought a new foundation, which is the Revlon Color Stay in the color 450, I believe. Yeah, 450. And it is for combination to oily skin, and it says you can wear for 24 hours, but we're not going to test that today. So we're going to see how this baby looks on my skin. Y'all, that really matches my face really good. You guys, I was doubting this foundation. This foundation might be like my true match. It's kind of even better than the Sephora foundation that I use. Wow. Comment down below if you like this foundation on me. Like, it blended in with my neck so well too. I thought I was gonna have problems because like my neck is darker than my face, but it looks really good. Pause. We're going to pause right here because after I let that foundation sit on my face for a while, I noticed that my face looks ashier and ashier by the second. And I didn't even contour my forehead, which is my fault. But we're still going to finish out this video strong, even though we look casket sharp, okay? Today I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the color Toffee. And this is what I'm going to be using for concealer today. Y'all, I have not used this under my eyes in a while, and I feel like this is going to make me look really yellow. For bronzer and contour, I'm going to be taking my Morphe Bronzer palette, and I'm going to contour my face. And for highlighter, I'm going to be taking Juvia's Place Loose Highlighter in the color Nubia. Alright you guys, so I am finished with this look. Are you guys feeling the blue? Are you guys feeling the blue with the copper gold? It is really cute, you guys. Alright you guys, so this is the beginning of a new year and I had to step in very boldly. And you know, this is only the beginning. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below what you think about this look. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell down below so you know when my next video will be uploaded. And it will be very, very, very soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.